All right, this here is our bandsaw. It can cut both metal and wood. We have a wood cutting blade in it right now. So again, definitely have to be careful around it. Anything that can take off your fingers is not a lot of fun. It has a guard. You want to make sure it's set just above the height of your material to help prevent your hands from going in with your material. So we're just going to turn it on. And this is great for quickly chopping off chunks of what you're working on, but you can also do some really nice angled cuts and curved cuts. And if you go slow, you can get a lot of precision with it as well. So you want to make sure that you're going slow to prevent the blade from binding. And always keep your hands out of the cutting path. Binding a little. And there we have some nice curved cuts. And to use this piece of equipment, you don't need any special training other than to be very, very careful.